welcome to training at 45. So today we're going to do a little project. We're going to be dealing with these rusty weight plates. Sorted out the outdoor gym. It's looking pretty damn good, but it's being let down now by these rusty weight plates. Got a whole set of Olympic plates to look at doing. I've owned these plates probably for the best part of 20 years now, so they've given some good service, but I think it's about time they had a renewal. Of course, they've been battered and damaged by the old gym and the gravel and mud and everything else, and by banging them against various things. So we've got our equipment I think that we're going to need. Got plenty of wire wheels. Got a drill to put them in. Sandpaper. Some paint that's like an all-in-one, so there's no need to prime or undercoat, and it's quick drying. And some safety equipment. Thought I had a helper, but he's more interested in the basketball I think at the moment. So we'll start with a good grind. So front side's looking better. Some definite dings and dents in these. Just got to give the back side a damn good going over. So a good tip is to keep reversing the direction of the wheel to keep the bristles upright. You get more material off quickly that way. For the holes, got the perfect sized wheel. So hopefully that'll get those looking good as well. Because they're particularly rusty, I'm going to put some penetrant in to give them a damn good penetration.
Naughty boy!
And get through that rust. That's looking a lot better. Just got to do the edges now. Get that loose paint off, and then we can work on the repairs.
To make sure there's a satisfying curve to those edges.
Okay, that's looking a lot better. Years of dings and dents and abuse and hard servitude and the effort of making gains. So now we need to look at trying to do some repairs on this, so when it's painted it comes up a lot better. Okay, we've got this that will hopefully fit the bill. It's a steel repair putty stick. So it repairs and rebuilds, and we can cure it in 10 minutes. It can be sanded and painted, drilled and tapped. So see how we get on with that. Just going to cut a slice off, mix it together, and then apply it to the weight. Rubbing that together, so it's getting really hot, so it must be making some sort of chemical reaction. See if we can apply that to our weight. Can sand that down shortly. We'll work on the other dings. It's a bit of an awkward section on this shoulder because it's quite thin, so just going to put a load of putty in and then hope to sand that down. Take a file to some of these high parts as well. Okay, done our repairs as best we can. Never going to get every single little ding and dent out, but it's a start. We'll leave that to cure and then work on the rest of the weights.
That's tickety-boo!
Okay, getting through the weights now, building up bit by bit. A few repairs to do on the 20. Quite a state these weights are. Time for paint. There we are, first coat applied. Beautiful hammered finish on there, just like it said on the tin. Hairs are nice and rubbed down now. Being visible. Looking good. Plates all drying. Okay, just woke up and the plates are drying nicely. It's time to do the lettering. By far the most easiest way of doing this is with one of these Sharpie permanent markers. Metallic silver seems to go on really easily. Some of these small letters are getting awkward, so just use a fine tip pen just to correct where it rubs off. It's difficult with the way the castings are. Pen's worn down now to the very last threads. It still works great for these small ones, so I can just run it over them and they're done. They're coming together pretty good.
Spiffing!
After all that work, it's time for a nice, healthy salad. Well, it took a fair bit of work to paint these. If I was to do it again, I'd probably allow more time for one side to thoroughly dry, then do the other side. I'm covered in paint, don't know quite how I'm going to get that off, but there you are.
Keep training, I'm 45. Subscribe to this channel and you too can be vigorously exercised. That's all.